Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel One Stop.
Hello everyone, in my last video I had given a review on Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. In that video I had mentioned that I couldn't get the case cover and the screen protector in the store, so I had to order it online. I have finally received it, so let's have a look at it. This screen protector is made of high-grade Japanese technology and it is from Tuxer. It is basically a company based in Hong Kong. Now let's have a look at its features. It has 9H hardness, that is, it has been treated in high temperature for better shatterproof quality. It is explosion proof, anti-fingerprint and scratch and wear resistant. It gives you high definition clarity and has oleophobic coating. Now what is this oleophobic coating? It has unique anti-static treated screen that resists the water, fingerprint and other stains. I have already unboxed the screen protector. It was in this cardboard, well wrapped. The screen protector is also properly wrapped in this sponge. It has two cleaning wipes, one dry and the other wet. When you're fixing the screen protector in your tab, you will need it. Now let's have a look at the screen. It is ultra thin with 0.3 mm thickness, that is 33% slimmer than traditional glass screen protector that you get. And it has easy anti-bubble installation. You just need to peel off this. Yeah, there is little sticker over here, like while opening the cardboard it got stuck. It was not like this. Now let's have a look at the case cover. This is also from Tuxer and the cost of this product is 2499. I got it for rupees 649, which is really good. Now let's check out how the cover is. You get this cover in 4 color variants: black, blue, jet black and midnight blue. I have purchased midnight blue. Now both the screen protector and this case cover has been designed specifically for Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. The material is really nice. It feels good and looks great as well. It is really good, no doubt. It turns into convenient stand, to free your hands when you're watching videos or you're working on this tab. The screen protector has already been pasted on the tab, as you can see, and it is really good. It has been done by someone who can actually do it properly, as I was not sure I can align it properly with the tab. But if you want to do it on your own, I will share the company's link in the description box. You can have a look at it there. All the details are mentioned. Now let me see if it fits in well in this case cover. It's quite easy and yeah, it fits in well. The material, as I said, is really good. It is shockproof and drop resistant. Now the lining has been made of microfiber so that especially the corners, so that it can protect the device from scratches and slight bumps. So here is the cutout for the camera, and then you can see the speaker, the space is there. Then you have the side keys out here. These are the other two speakers, the space for multi-purpose jack. Then you have this for your headphones. The case cover has been beautifully designed. As you can see, all the ports and buttons out here are properly exposed so that you can use the tab with much ease. It has 2 viewing angle stand. As I said earlier, you can turn it into a convenient stand. So I'll show you how to do it. Now let's show you the first fold. Yeah, it is quite easy. You just keep it like this. That's it. Now I'll show you the second fold. This is also You know, this also won't take much time. See, it is little raised. The earlier one was little, below. So these are the two folds. Now I show you from this view. The first fold, and just put it like this. Now the second fold. So it's done. Now you can do your work much easily and with comfort. It is quite slim and lightweight. You can carry it anywhere, anytime you want. Yeah, as I had already said, this case is specifically designed for Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. It will fit both Wi-Fi only and LTE model. It has got magnetic closure with auto wake and auto sleep facility. That is basically, when you just open the cover, the tab automatically starts. As in, you don't have to press the power button, and when you just put the flap down, it goes on auto sleep mode. So that's really good about it. Now talking about the screen protector and the case cover, I really liked it. I've shown you all the details. I have discussed all the features. If you want, you too can buy it online. Now I'll share the link in the description box. If you want, if you can have a look at it. So that's all for today. Till then, take care and have a nice day.